SpaceX began trading this morning at $135 per share. At closing, $160, about a 20% increase. This is the largest IPO in history. SpaceX has been valued at $1.75 trillion. And it has a lot of people wondering if this is just part of a big hype cycle or if we're actually seeing a transformation of the markets. Elon Musk, he has become the world's first trillionaire with this IPO. He is locked up for 366 days. And a lot of the employee lockups will still be in place for a couple months. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens when trading actually begins on those shares. And in about 5 days, Nasdaq, they're going to be adding SpaceX to the Nasdaq QQQ. So you may be holding SpaceX in your account in just a few days. A lot of forced buyers are going to be coming in because they hold Nasdaq in their portfolios. S&P, on the other hand, which manages the S&P 500, they issued a statement noting that they will not be having SpaceX listed there for probably at least a year because one of their requirements is multiple quarters of profitability. And SpaceX is not yet profitable. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens once these index orders flow in. Really, the most important thing here is space exploration moving into the mainstream. The public has appetite for seeing humanity expand out into the stars. About 30% had been allocated for retail investors, which is more than you typically see in an IPO of this size. So it really shows that this is more than just a Wall Street phenomenon, but a mainstream phenomenon. A lot of the public wanting to be a part of this journey out into space. Really looking forward to seeing where it goes. With that, signing out. Stay curious.